Hello and welcome back to my channel and my page. Let's discuss 3 things that you must never do as a young man if you want to excel in your life. Number 1, do not sleep with a married woman, no matter how the temptation might be. Yes, because at the end it will bring you bad luck in the future and even now. So beware and never you try. Don't even think about it. Don't even try. And number 2, always listen to your parents. On no account should you allow your parents, especially your dads, to lay curses on you, especially the good dad and the good mom out there, because no deliverance will set you free. So beware. And number 3, always have the fear of God in you, because when you have the fear of God, you will be able to differentiate from good and bad. Get it? And number